Today we will show you how to hook up your new bulletproof light duty hitch to a trailer. Start by unboxing your new hitch. Assemble the hitch and install it into your vehicle's receiver. Secure the hitch with any receiver pin. We recommend using a bulletproof locking pin for added safety. Back your vehicle up to the trailer or move the trailer next to your hitch. Lower the trailer coupler onto the hitch ball or place it onto the ball as shown here. Next, stow away the trailer jack. Secure the jack in its proper position as demonstrated. Latch the trailer coupler onto the ball. Use a pin to ensure the latch doesn't come undone while towing. We're using a bulletproof latch lock for added security. And lastly, hook the safety chains to each side of the vehicle's receiver. Connect the trailer's light plug to your vehicle. Double check that all connections are secure. Hitch pin is locked. Coupler latch is pinned. Safety chains are connected and trailer lights are working. Now you're ready to hit the road confidently with your new bulletproof light duty hitch.